of nurturing minds and 78 years of a free nation. Together, we march towards a brighter tomorrow. Greetings of the day. Oh, how time flies. 30 years ago, in 1995, a seed was planted. Over the past 3 decades, that seed has taken root and grown into the magnificent tree that is Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan. It grew into a beacon of guidance, a symbol of wisdom, and a channel for inspiration for the generations of students that walk through these halls. Today, as the tricolor flutters high in the sky, Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan salutes India, our motherland, the sacrifices made by those who fought for our independence, and the courage of those who defend it. On behalf of Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan, I take this momentous opportunity to welcome everyone to the 79th Independence Day celebration.
Let us welcome this day with hearts filled with love for the nation and voices filled with unity and celebration. On behalf of Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan, we extend a warm welcome to our Chief Guest, Wing Commander C. Naganathan. Welcome, sir. Mrs. Mithali Archit, Principal of Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan. Welcome, ma'am. I would also like to welcome teachers, parents, and my fellow students.
परब्रह्मणा दीपो हरति पापानि दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the most sacred moment of this celebration, the hoisting of our national flag, the Tiranga, the symbol of our pride, unity, and sacrifice. As the flag unfurls, let our hearts swell with pride and our voices unite in singing the national anthem with full spirit. May I now request everyone to please rise and join in paying our highest tribute as our dignitaries hoist the flag of our beloved nation.
Marching symbolizes patriotism towards the country, showcasing togetherness and paying tribute to our martyrs who sacrificed their lives while defending our country from several adversities. We have a Deputy Boys Sports Captain, Muhammad Ahmed, taking permission to begin the parade.
Meet the young India emerging with flying colours, dynamic and versatile in every manner. We have the newly elected cabinet of the academic session 2025-26 led by the Deputy Sports Captain Muhammad Ahmed and the Deputy Head Girl Lavanya Bhosle holding the NVN flag and the Deputy Head Boy Advait Ranjit paying respect to the flag. Illuminating unity, guiding excellence and reflecting brilliance. Chandra House Girls led by Anvi Abhay Desurkar and Akul J. The Chandra House Boys led by Siri P. Harish and Prithiv Raghav. There goes the Chandra House marching with pride and unity.
Let's unleash our dreams. The sky is just the beginning. We have the Akash House Girls led by Harmain and Shiva AK. The Akash House Boys are led by Krishika and Ryan. The sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning of your boundless journey. We have the Akash House marching with enthusiasm and determination.
Steady in strength, advancing towards greatness. We have the Prithvi House Girls led by Niriksha MN and Nitish Singh. The Prithvi House Boys led by Prayita Krishna and Yashasvi Gowda. Great dreams of great dreamers will always transcend. Showing the true bohemia, we have the Prithvi House marching with zest and zeal.
Enlighten, empower, excel together. We have the Surya House Girls led by Riddhi Vishnu and Mithil. The Surya House boys led by Putta Karthik and Sonam Das. Every sunrise is a new opportunity to chase your dreams with a heart full of hopes. Here we have the Surya House marching with the sun's rays radiating from their hearts.
We now have the CIE students led by the head boy Isaiah George and head girl Ahana Sood. The Ventus House captain Sanvi Gupta, who is embracing the winds of change. The Aqua House captain Advika Sood, who is diving deep and reaching high. The Ignis House captain Twisha, who is igniting her potential to let the future shine.
With sheer determination and enthusiasm, we have our young scouts and guides marching with a positive aura around them. We have the guides led by the guides head girls Likita and Grishma, and the scouts led by the scouts head boy Hitesh. The regular rhythm and upbeat times of marching bands positively affects and brings about memories that we would never get anywhere else. Here we have the school band led by Sheshadri K.
That was truly magnificent. The students portrayed goals in their eyes, dreams in their minds, hopes in their heart, valor in their veins, and an indomitable spirit in their souls. May we now request our honorable chief guest and other dignitaries to please be seated.
May I now take the opportunity to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Wing Commander C. Naganathan. He is a man whose journey proves that with passion and perseverance, we can reach any new height, even if the path isn't what we initially imagined. Growing up, he was a self-described average student with dreams of flying aircrafts. He scored a 63% in his 10th board exams, but a determined spirit made him increase that number to 85% in his 12th grade. He credits his parents for encouraging his love for reading, which included everything from magazines to Amar Chitra Katha comics. After a setback in his initial choice to study microbiology, he found his calling in electronics and communication. Graduating from Madras University in 1989, this led him to an extraordinary career with the Indian Air Force, where he served for 23 years in the engineering branch. During his tenure, he worked on Russian-origin anti-aircraft missile systems, traveled extensively across India, and even served as a systems specialist instructor. He also played a role in managing the Aero India shows while posted at the Air Force Station Yelahanka. Following his distinguished service to the nation, he transitioned to the corporate world, joining Data Patterns India as a senior manager. For 6 years, he leveraged his expertise to support key national organizations like the Indian Armed Forces, ISRO, and DRDO. Today, he continues to share his vast experience and passion with the next generation. He works as a faculty member at Presidency University, where he helps students develop their personalities and communication skills. As a member of Toastmasters International, he is a strong advocate for effective communication and leadership. Beyond his professional life, Commander Naganathan is a man of many talents, a poet, an avid photographer, a nature enthusiast, and a dedicated mentor in public speaking.
On behalf of Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan management, teachers, staff and students, dear C. Naganathan sir, I welcome you and I welcome both the Jawans from CRPF. Welcome sir. Welcome. We have lived in our past and we have seen glorious years of success of our country, and we are seeing that and we will be seeing that. But how do we transfer that value and culture which India always, Bharat always uphold in their generations, in its blood? We have to transfer that, because values is the only thing which we can transfer to our children along with the collaboration with the parents. However, this is young generation, not easy to handle, hats off to you, but yes, you have given your best in these many years of your career, and that's the reason we call that teaching profession is the noble profession. And hats off to the defense services of our country. If we are able to speak a word also, it's because of the confidence they have given to us that you people are safe. Don't worry, do your job, whatever you are doing. Thanks. On this note, I'll only say Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
Good morning, respected principal, madam, teachers, parents and my dear friends. My name is Shrishti. I am from UKG. Today we are celebrating our Independence Day, a day that fills with every Indian heart with pride and joy. On August 1947, our country India got freedom from British rule. We remember our great freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Lakshmi Bai, Bharat Sai and Kittur Rani Channamma. They fought bravely and gave us this precious gift, freedom. Because of them, we can now study, play and live happily in our own country. I feel very proud to be an Indian. So let's say all together, Bharat Mata ki Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Good morning, respected Chief Guest, Director, Principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. My name is Lakshpatak and I study in 2B. Today we are celebrating Independence Day, the day when our India became free on 15 August 1947. We got this freedom because of our brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and Rani Lakshmi Bai. They fought with courage and never gave up until our country was free. A freedom fighters dream of a strong and happy India. Today, because of them, we can study, play and live without fear. We must also remember our brave soldiers who protect our borders day and night. They stay away from their families so that we can stay safe with us. We should feel proud of our country and take care of it. We must keep it clean, follow the rules and always stand together as Indians. On this Independence Day, let us promise to be grateful to our freedom fighters and soldiers and do our best to make India even more beautiful. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Dance is the movement of the body and the rhythm of the soul. Dance is an art form where a message is conveyed by the dancer's beautiful movements and the rhythmic music. It has the ability to bring people of diverse origin together and instills within us a feeling of unity and grace. During the freedom struggle, artists use music and dance to promote patriotism and the fight for freedom.
Every occasion starts with seeking blessings. Now, we call upon our talented dancers to showcase India's rich cultural heritage to Kathak, where ghungroos speak, expressions flow, and every spin celebrates the rhythm of our nation's pride. Let's give a big round of applause for the wonderful performance.
भारत अनोखा राग है,
दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु, आँखों में बस जाओ, अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना। बहा दो प्रेम की गंगा, दिलों में प्रेम का सागर, आत्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना।
ಇವರು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
sacrifices.
इतिहास का मैं आईना हूं, तहसीब का रंग सुनहरा। गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूं, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूं। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी कह रहा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा।
जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी। जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी। ताई ताई नाडु स्वर्गक्किंत ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ। ಜಯ ಹೇ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಭಾರತ ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಭಾರತಿ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಭಾರತ ನನ್ನ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಭಾರತ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಮಂಗಲ್ ಪಾಂಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ತಂದರು. ಭಗತ್ ಸುಭಾಷರ ಹೋರಾಟವೇ, ಲಾಲ್ ವಲ್ಲಭಾಯ್ ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮವೇ. ದೇಶಭಕ್ತರ ಧನ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ, ಮಹಾಕಲಿಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸತ್ಯ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ, ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯ ನಿಷ್ಠೆಗೆ. ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ಭಾರತ ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಭಾರತಿ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಗೆ. ದೇಶ ಸರ್ವ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳ ಗರ್ವ ಭೂಮಿ ಭರತ ಮಾತೆಯ ಮಡಿಲು ಓ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರತಾಯೇ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಶರಣು ಓ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರತಾಯೇ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಹಬ್ಬ ಓ ಕೆಚ್ಚೆದೆಯ ಕಲಿಗಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ನಾಡು ನಿನ್ನದು ಎಂಟೆದೆಯ ಯೋಧರು ಮಡಿದಂತ ಭೂಮಿ ನಿನ್ನದು ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಿಳಿ ಹಸಿರು ತ್ರಿವರ್ಣ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಯ ಹೇ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ಭಾರತ ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಭಾರತಿ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಓ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಭಾರತ ನನ್ನ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಭಾರತ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಓ la 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 la
लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी
కను బాబా కంటి నిండుగా నిద్రపోదురా నిద్రపోదురా ఇనువెత్తును నిప్పు కంచెవై నువ్వుంటేనే జాతి బావుగా ఎగురుతుందిరా పైకెగురుతుందిరా ఇల్లే ఇండియా దిల్లే ఇండియా నీ తల్లే ఇండియా తన భరోసా నువ్వే దేశం కొడక చదవేలేని సేవక ఓ సైనిక పనిలో పరుగే తీరిక ఓ సైనిక ప్రాణం మంత్రం తేలిక ఓ సైనిక పోరాటం నీకో వేడుక ఓ సైనిక యుద్ధ భూమి కూడా భయపడురో దగ 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 వండే సూర్యున్నే కాచవెడిరో రణధ్వనిరో నీకు దేశమంతా ఇల్లే కదరో దడ 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 నడిచే ఇంత త్యాగమంటే ఎంత రుణమో ఆ పిడుగే ఉరుమే వచ్చిన సాగరమే హద్దే దాటిన ఎదిరిస్తే ఎదురుగా ఉంటాడు నువ్వు ముందుండి దేశాన్ని కాయవా జనగణమన హృదయమున ఓహో బలిదానమైన నీవు రెడీ ఓహో మన్ను కూడా నిన్ను తాకినవ్వు ఓహో మైన నీకే జై హో సలాం సోల్జర్ నువ్వుంటే రాదు డేంజర్ సలాం సోల్జర్ నువ్వంటే దేశ పవర్ సలాం సోల్జర్ నీ పేర్లో ఉంది ఫైర్ సలాం సోల్జర్ నువ్వేరా మాకు సేవియర్ रोज रोज दंगल बारूद पे होता आगे तू ही लगा है राज तेरा होता माँ भारती के लाल का ही जोर शोर होता हम जल में भी है हम कल में भी है सीधा मारेंगे सीधे पे मारेंगे मामा हल्ला करेंगे फिर वार करेंगे तुझे चीरेंगे या जिंदा करेंगे बढ़ बढ़ के मारेंगे रोर करेंगे దిన దినము పోరాటం బంధుతో జలగాటం నవ సమరపు సరిసాట ఓ నీవే ధైర్యపు సామ్రాట చుట్టెవరు లేరు సరే బంధములే వదిలేసే దృఢమై ఉన్న నువ్వే నీ దేశం భద్రతకే కదిలే ఈ ముప్పన్నెల పొగరు నీ గుండెకు ఇది ఉసురు అజరామరమిక పేరు నీకింక సాటి ఎవరు దిన దిన దినం కథనమేగా ఓహో క్షణం ప్రతి క్షణం రభస కథ ఓహో కణ కణమున దేశ ప్రేమ ఓహో మైన నీకే జై హో సలాం సోల్జర్ నువ్వుంటే రాదు డేంజర్ సలాం సోల్జర్ నువ్వంటే దేశ పవర్ సలాం సోల్జర్ నీ పేర్లో ఉంది ఫైర్ సలాం సోల్జర్ నువ్వేరా మాకు సేవియర్ ఇస్ మిట్టి కి జాన్ హో ఓ వీర్ సేనా भारत माँ की शान हो सलाम सोल्जर
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। है अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की, जहाँ बोर सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो जमाना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
India, a dream woven by the blood of the heroes, built on the hopes of the brave. Today, as the youth march forward, let us remember those who made this possible. So much has changed. Digital India, smart cities, space missions. Yes, but do you think the freedom fighters would be proud?
की जय. What a vibrant land this is. Is this the India we dreamed of?
The lioness, born on the soil of Karnataka, the first to challenge the British Empire, Kittur Rani Chennamma.
ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಮೌಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ನೋಡಲು ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿದ ಒಂದೊಂದು ರಕ್ತದ ಹನಿಗಳು ಇದು ಪವನವಾಗಿದೆ.
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. जब मैं इस आज़ाद भारत को देखता हूँ तो दिल से बस एक ही आवाज़ निकलती है, हाँ, ये वही भारत है जिसके लिए वीरों ने अपना खून बहाया था. इस मिट्टी की खुशबू, इस तिरंगे की शान हर भारतीय के दिल में गर्व की मशाल बनकर जल रही है. मैंने केवल आज़ादी का सपना नहीं देखा था, मैं ऐसा भारत चाहता था जहां हर इंसान इंसानियत से जिए, अन्याय के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाए. आज की युवा पीढ़ी जाग चुकी है, अब कोई ताकत उसे रोक नहीं सकती.
I gave India the Constitution and I'm happy to see its voice in democracy grow stronger.
Here comes the Iron Man of India, one who united more than 560 princely states and gave India its unbreakable unity. Even today, his vision echoes through the heart of our nation, presenting Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji.
मैंने भारत को एक सूत्र में बांधने का काम किया, रियासतों को एकता का एहसास दिलाया. आज का भारत, हाँ, आज का यह सशक्त अखंड भारत मेरे उसी सपने का दर्पण है, जहाँ हर प्रदेश, हर भाषा, हर जाति एक ही मंत्र बोलती है, हम सब एक हैं, हम सब भारत हैं. यही मेरी सबसे बड़ी जीत है, यही इस देश की सबसे बड़ी ताकत है.
From the lands of valor and wisdom emerge warriors who built Swaraj on the foundation of courage and justice, presenting Chhatrapati Shivaji and Sangoli Rayanna.
स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच. जय भवानी.
ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವವನ್ನು ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಈ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಭಾರತ ನೋಡಲು. ಈ ನವಭಾರತ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ.
The dreams of our freedom fighters were not just of political freedom. They envisioned a nation that would rise, thrive and lead. Today, those dreams echo in every innovation, every achievement and every step we take towards progress. Let us now witness the heartbeat of New India, a land powered by knowledge, courage and resilience. Watch closely as we present a silent tribute to our rising nation.
Happy Independence Day and happy 79th Independence Day to each and every one of you. I look back at my space, it's somewhere I had the blessings of my mother and inspirations from my father to join the Indian Air Force. I worked in the engineering branch, worked on anti-aircraft missile systems of Russian origin. I was not very good in school. Somehow I was very defiant on that. I was very happy to be the average guy. In a class of 44, I would be 19 or 20th rank. Then things changed when I could see the disappointment. And my 11th and 12th, I promised my dad, I said I will study. He said, go to a state board school because the subjects are easier to pick up marks. I said, no, it is CBSE and I will prove to you what I can do. He said something which changed me. He said, you don't have to prove anything to me. Tell yourself that you can do it and show it to yourself. I want you to know your potential. I secured 85% in my 12th standard. My top marks were in biology at 92. I secured 30 out of 30 in my bio-pracs and left the teacher wide-eyed. She said a student who has come for 11th and 12th has managed to get 30 out of 30 and none of you guys who have been with me for the last 10 years have managed it. It was rat dissection, arterial system, and placing the black paper right under the arteries, along the arms, the body, the trunk, the legs, everything. It was... So it's been a sort of journey when I joined Air Force. And Air Force taught me a lot of things. Teamwork, discipline, learning to respect others' viewpoints, being kind to people, and camaraderie. These are the greatest takeaways for me during my Air Force stay. Then life had times change and situations change, and I had to call it a day, hang the uniform, and I moved on. I joined a private company by name Data Patterns India. Spent 6 years as a senior manager customer support. And in the meantime joined Toastmasters. Toastmasters helped me to rediscover myself. And then I joined Presidency University as a soft skills trainer. I was happy with the reduction of pay. I was not worried about the money. I wanted happiness. I wanted happiness which will redefine me, and that was contributing back to the society which built me. And that was giving the students a perspective and making them understand what life is all about. So I want you all to follow your heart, give your best, don't worry about outcomes. And for you youngsters especially, please remember, comparison is the thief of joy. When you compare yourselves, then you lose the joy of life. Enjoy doing what you love to do, give your best, right? And to the teaching fraternity, I enjoy my classes when at Presidency University. You're doing an amazing job. I come from a family of teachers. My father's father was a teacher in a Gurukul. My father was a teacher before he joined Reserve Bank. My mother was a teacher. She's still a teacher for me today. I am still her kid. And she pulls my ears when I do something wrong. I think they say, there are two people who can forgive you if you do a mistake. One is God and the other is your mother. Mothers are always epitome of strength, forgiveness. They have immense love and affection for the children. So on this day, I want you to remember that please be kind, look after nature, and help one another build up your skills. Make this country great once again. From where we are, let us march to greater heights. On that note, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
On behalf of Nagarjuna Vidya Niketan, I, Ashwika, am privileged to render the vote of thanks today. We first thank the Almighty for blessing us to go ahead with this grandeur. We thank the Chief Guest, Wing Commander Mr. Naganathan, for gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir. Words cannot express the gratitude we have towards Mrs. Mithali Archit, our beloved Principal Ma'am, for being so supportive and guiding us through the way for the preparation of this ceremony. We would like to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff, admin staff for their timely support. We would also like to thank all the parents who have always been our pillars of support for being with us and our prestigious school. Lastly, we would like to thank our friends, the students of Nagarjuna Vidya Niketan, for their diligence and putting immense efforts into making this Independence Day a grand success. Thank you. Jai Hind.